Here.
We're here at the swamp.
Let's go. Let's go.
I think I've seen it. I ain't got on my muck.
Yeah, I was gonna say we gotta go through that or through that.
Or walk on what?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like a river.
Mm-hmm. That it does. And that river flows out of the Okefenokee, where we're about to go. What do you think about it?
Which it?
The coffee.
Coffee's good.
Coffee's
I
real
need
good.
that coffee.
Little bitty fawn track.
Early this morning, I heard somebody's percolator going off, and I'm like,
I heard that too, and I couldn't figure out where it was coming from.
Mr. Coffee or something of the nature, you know, because I recognize that gurgle.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Good morning.
and that, you kind of got me thinking about getting up,
Yeah.
but I didn't. The skeeters were active more than I thought they'd be, and then when it cooled off.
Yeah. Yeah, I was glad to be in my skeeter beater hammock.
I didn't have problems with them until I had to get out.
Yeah.
But then I had problems with them.
Yeah. Is this your kayak?
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
Good.
How far are you going down?
Good, Fargo.
Oh, okay.
I just got quite a few of us are supposed to be here today.
I got a friend he's got a YouTube channel. He's from North Alabama, and he just came down first of last month, and they put in at Fargo and went all the way out, all the way to the Gulf. Yeah.
Yeah.
They did 220 something miles.
Yeah.
But we're going in the swamp today, so we're going.
Yeah. I go there a lot. We're gonna do a camping trip in about a couple of weeks, I think.
Yeah.
I guess I do go a lot. This would be my 8th or 9th trip, but I can't remember.
Yeah.
He's this one we're getting Mixon's hammock, and after that he stayed at every platform out there.
I've tried. I've missed a couple on the other side. Bluff Lake I've never stayed at.
That was the first one that we stayed at when I came.
Yeah. There's a bear at Mixon's. Or there was when we were there, and then we heard a report of the people behind us saw one too. So.
Yeah, I'd been seeing reports where they said to take bear precautions if they've been seeing one there a good bit. So I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind seeing it. I just don't want it to get in our stuff.
Yeah, right. You just got to protect your food.
Right.
Yeah.
Spent too much time on the food. I'm going to give you that.
Yeah.
This is like Amsterdam, you know. And we're just.
I got
Where are you going, Cam?
Cam just shut her down.
Yeah.
Just a little bit more careful.
What you got there, Cam?
Got your
cream cheese pancakes. Cinnamon cream cheese pancakes with sausage and bacon.
I almost saved it. Post pulls us.
And this is my pier right here.
These guys watched this video of somebody. They took banana peels, scraped all the stuff off the inside of them. We're here at the swamp.
Let's go.
Let's go.
11:25.
T-shirt back on in 20 minutes.
11:25. And we are leaving Stephen C. Foster, headed to Mixon's Hammock. We just have about a 2-mile paddle to get to it. Spending our first night at Mixon's Hammock. Then after that we go to Floyd's Island tomorrow night. So me and Kim had to go park. The rest of the guys are already waiting. But we're on the way. On the way. All right, I hadn't got my cameras and everything geared out on here because we were trying to kind of get going. So before we leave out in the morning, I'll take the time to gear out my cameras and stuff. I got some special stuff I want to film on the way in. But basically, this time I'm just going to stick it in my pocket, and something interesting comes along, I'll show it. You can see Josh, Larry, JR, and Dave are up in front of me. Then me and Cam's coming up behind me. So here we go, heading to Mixon's Hammock for night 1 in the swamp.
Me and John raised and we turned over.
I remember this trail.
And it hit 2 rocks and then 2 minutes. That's the main thing.
Yeah. Pretty small one.
Yep.
2.
That's 3.
Oh, I missed one.
JR spotted a 6-footer on the other bank. So we are coming to you today from a very special location here in the Okefenokee Swamp, and this may be the most interesting podcast we've ever done because this is the first time we've had all of us together. So starting down here at the far end. Oh, and by the way, we are currently set up on an abandoned railroad bed in Mixon's Hammock in the Okefenokee Swamp. So this is this is kind of cool. You can't see what's behind you, but what is behind the camera is a giant outhouse. So that's not quite so lovely. But got Larry down here on the end.
Hey, guys.
Josh, JR, Dave, and Cameron. Evening. Afternoon. Something. We are in the swamp. This is the railroad bed we were set up on earlier doing a podcast, and the camera was sitting right here. Actually, I had it in my boat right here, and that was the view. That's the canal that we came down to come in here, and then we decided to move on back here for camp. My tree, I don't know if you can see, the sun's pretty bad, but there's a crooked tree out through there, and over one of those limbs is where I'm hanging my stuff because they've been having a lot of bear activity here. Cam's set up. This is mine. I got my front porch facing the gang. I may let that down tonight depending on the wind. The wind is pretty rough right now. Josh is on the back side back there. This is JR, Larry's, and Dave's. And then this is our Got a congregating area.
Kind of keep reducing the size of bullets in for a few weeks. Make sure it
Fire ring.
every Sunday, so every week it gets
So,
smaller until
yep.
she run out, then she make more.
This is it.
So just keep it in the fridge.
Camp at Mixon's Hammock. Night 2 of the trip. Got my underquilt under there, ready to go. Yeah, it can turn down. Josh and his Meemaw shawl.
What's up? It's not Meemaw,
Oh.
it's Clint Eastwood.
Well, you look like Meemaw.
No, I don't.
Oh yeah, you should see the video I shot of you last night. You look like a Meemaw.
What's shaking?
I'm being honest.
That's not the same thing.
Didn't say I was.
I'm just being honest. Oh, that's okay.
Oh, we got to get our group picture before we leave
yeah,
here. I got my phone holder, so. All right, guys. I had a little change of plan, but wasn't a bad change of plan. We'll check this out. Look at these trees. We love this place. We're at Traders Hill Campground. We are on the east side of the Okefenokee. And we are, we came in, I don't know if you can hear it. Wind's ripping pretty good.
It's blowing pretty good.
And the last weather we had was saying rain moving in early in the morning, storming, and then we were gonna have to drive out in those, or paddle out in those storms. We were gonna have to paddle 13 miles against about a 15-mile-an-hour headwind today. And just to be honest, we didn't want to do it, did we, Josh?
Nope.
What have you got all over your hat?
Oh no. Bird did it. Looks like a spider web.
Oh, it does. Huh. Anyway, all right. So we're here about to eat us some cold cuts for lunch, and gonna sit around and enjoy the afternoon. It is breezy. You can see it's overcast now, so it's cooler. Personally, I'm kind of glad we did this. I mean, it's a little easier. It's a lot more relaxing. So, all right. I'll go around and shoot some more footage later. Right now, I'm going to eat a bite.